Check out the 2021 Suzuki price list in the Philippines. As of June 16, 2021, Suzuki motorcycle prices start at 48,900 for the most inexpensive model GP110 and goes up to 1.169 million for the most expensive motorcycle model Suzuki GSX-R 1000. Currently Suzuki is offering 32 new motorcycle models in the Philippines. The Suzuki Birdman Street, Suzuki GSX-R FI, Suzuki Raider R150 are the most popular motorcycles from Suzuki in their respective motorcycle segments. Suzuki Philippines has a lineup of 5 scooters: Suzuki Birdman Street, Suzuki Skydrive Sport, Suzuki Skydrive Crossover, Suzuki Skydrive FI, Suzuki Skyaddress also offered 9 sport bikes: Suzuki GSX-S 150, Suzuki SV650X, Suzuki SV650, Suzuki Katana, Suzuki GSX-S 750, Suzuki GSX-R 1000, Suzuki GSX-R 250, Suzuki GSX-R SF 250, Suzuki GSX-R 150. Also offered to off-road bikes: Suzuki RMZ 450, Suzuki RMZ 250. Offered 4 super sport bikes: Suzuki GSX-S 1000Z, Suzuki GSX-S 1000F, Suzuki Hayabusa GSX-R 1300, Suzuki GSX-S 1000 ABS. Suzuki also offered 1 maxi scooter: Suzuki Birdman 400. Also offered 2 street bike: Suzuki GSX-R FI, Suzuki GP110, and 5 moped bikes: Suzuki Raider R150, Suzuki Raider R155, Suzuki Smash 115, Suzuki Raider J115-5, Suzuki Raider J Crossover. Also offered 4 adventure touring bikes: Suzuki V-Strom 1050 XT, Suzuki V-Strom 650 ABS, Suzuki V-Strom 1000 XT, Suzuki V-Strom 650 XT ABS. Please comment or suggest any topic you want me to feature in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video, and hit the notification bell to update. Please follow my Facebook page Santos Motovlog. This is Santos Motovlog. Ride safe and responsible. God bless and peace.